Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So remember yesterday I told you that if you added what's it called, hair gel, it'll make your slime softer. So today let's open this slime can for you. And there we go. Nice. And easy, so I wanted to add a little bit more so you could all tell it doesn't really appear to do. I think I should do this without a glove. Oh, I like it better without a glove. But if you all want to use it, you all could use it. Just that I did not want to. Wow, look. It's really actually working, y'all. You know what? Really makes it cool. Look. It's gonna be a little bit more sticky. But wow, it does work. Now let's put it to this can. Oh no, we got a problem here. I got it out of here. I'm really struggling because I'm only using. I got my joy. Okay, so now that's my favorite part of this thingy here. It's this slime, beautiful slime here. Let me just take it off for y'all. Here it is. I'm gonna take off my gloves. I think I'm gonna add a little bit because I think I added too much already on this one. La 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 la. Sorry, y'all. There's this classmate that's annoying. Then there's this other table that never stops talking, and it really makes the class annoying. Although it's already annoying, but it just makes it more annoying. And you may think you might have problems with, I think you do a little bit with the stickiness, but like, oh my god, I think I melted the slime. No, it didn't melt. That's the texture. I like. Very nice. It's very nice, y'all. Look, I'm gonna do some ASMR. And thank you all for watching. Hope you have an amazing rest of your night. Okay, thank you.